Hello everyone, my name is Chen Yao, a product manager at SeaX AI. Today I'm going to talk about how to integrate WhatsApp with SeaX and also SeaChat. So oftentimes you're a business owner or marketing manager and you outreach to your customers with large-scale bulk SMS and WhatsApp using our SeaX product. Now your problem is that once customers start to respond to you, you got way too many responses that you want to reply to. So what can you do? One natural way is to integrate SeaChat over here so that SeaChat will actually auto-respond to all the incoming messages. So for SeaX, you broadcast a lot of messages out with your clients, and when the messages come in over here, SeaChat could actually respond to them, right? So WhatsApp only allows one integration now with this streamlined messaging and the response pipeline. And then I'm going to show you how to make WhatsApp work on both SeaX and SeaChat, the two kinds of different platforms. So the first thing that you're going to do is log into SeaX. I already have one account logged in here, and you probably already have WhatsApp right over here. On the workspace, channels, let me make this one a little bit bigger. So you could actually add an account over here, log in with your Facebook account or Meta Business Suite account, right? And then select your businesses over here, and then finally, eventually get to the point that you will be able to get to your WhatsApp business account, right? So right over here, and then click on next, going all the way through until finally you say, okay, I got a phone number for 434-495-5944. Exactly this phone number, right? So if we have done all the way through, you would already have this phone number integrated. So from here, you could actually use this phone number right over here to do bulk WhatsApp messaging right over here. Now you have this one integrated, right? So what about a SeaChat? How could a SeaChat respond to all the WhatsApp messages that you have broadcasted with the SeaX? So the way you do it is go to SeaChat. Suppose we have a SeaChat demo account right over here, and there's like really nothing much in this screen, right? So you go to agent configuration and also integrations. With the integrations, the SeaX AI products actually integrate with its own family of products. So currently with the SeaX integration, we have a calls, SMS, and WhatsApp. So what you're gonna do is you come here, and then you have a WhatsApp here, right? So I already have this one integrated. Let's just delete this setting. What you're gonna do is that you're gonna enable WhatsApp integration right over here. Save it, right? So this says, okay, for SeaX AI, I'm allowing this AI agent called a SeaChat demo to be integrated with WhatsApp. And then what you're gonna do is you go to numbers inside of SeaX. This is the outbound system, right? You find this number, this is a WhatsApp only number, and then you click on edit. Then over here, and there's a button called enable AI agent to answer WhatsApp, right? So previously it was all human agent, right? So if I save it, then if I reply to something, if I send a message over here, you would only be able to receive it from SeaX. Let's give it a try. So far, this is still human agent only, right? So I got my WhatsApp personal account over here, and then I say hello, right? I send out the message right over here, and because this is this WhatsApp number is currently set up as human agent only, so we would actually be receiving this message through this screen, right? So Chen actually sent out a message called hello, right? And then I can, as human agent, I can type back hello back right over here, and then my WhatsApp message would actually receive this, right? This is the same 5944 phone number right over here. Now, if we had integrated this with the SeaChat, so what's gonna happen is it's gonna automatically reply with the SeaChat AI agent. So now let's go here and then click on edit, because inside the SeaChat we have already enabled this one to be the SeaChat demo AI agent to be able to integrate with WhatsApp, right? So what we're gonna do is we enable AI agent right over here, and then I have a SeaChat demo account, and then I just save it, right? So save it, and then this is on. If you refresh this screen, you would say, okay, this WhatsApp number is actually integrated with the SeaX, right? From a phone number through SeaX right over here. So now the SeaChat AI agent has been integrated, right? Now let's go to conversations, and then I'll just type hello, right? Now this one has an AI agent behind it, so the message would come in right over here, right? SeaChat got this answer, hello, and then this one says, hello, how can I help you today, right? And from my WhatsApp message, I got the same thing, right? If I say, tell me a joke, then inside the SeaChat receives this message, tell me a joke, and the SeaChat AI agent would actually respond, sure. Why did the SeaChat break up with the table salt? Because I found someone a little more flanky. So in this way, you achieved auto-responding using SeaChat, even though you are sending all the broadcast messages from SeaX, right? So, so to summarize, with SeaX, you could actually do bulk WhatsApp right over here, and sending to a lot of people as long as they have WhatsApp number in our account. And then after sending all the messages, if people ever reply through their WhatsApp, and if you have integrated this with the SeaChat AI agent would actually carry out the conversation with you, right? So that one just makes there's a whole process is super streamlined and super easy. If at any point you do not like the auto-responsible here, you could say, okay, you could actually click on this takeover button right over here, or you don't have to click on this takeover button. You can just chime in here, right? So this was a bad joke. I'll tell you another one maybe, right? So make this one a little bit bigger, and this color clearly shows that okay, this is actually a human agent talking, and on the other hand, I received this as well, right? So the SeaX WhatsApp, from the user's point of view, they cannot differentiate whether this is a AI agent or human agent. But from the human agent point of view, this is all good, right? So I'm gonna say, oh really, right? Try me. Then on the SeaChat part, I actually received both messages, and then you could actually reply here as well, right? So you could say, yeah, why does the chicken cross the road? Right. So, and then this is normal human conversation, right? At any one point, if you feel, okay, this conversation has been resolved, you could click on complete. Okay, and then the AI agent would actually take over this whole conversation, right? I would say finish the chicken crossing the road joke. Now the AI agent would actually finish this joke whenever whenever it receives the message, right? Why did the chicken cross the castle to get to the other end, right? So to summarize, at SeaX AI, we give you two very powerful tools. One is the SeaX, which is outbound reach to customers with the bulk SMS, phone calls, and WhatsApp. And on the receiving end, as soon as your customers have a lot of replies to your massive marketing messages and phone calls, you could actually, when the message is coming over here, you could actually respond to them using SeaChat by doing this SeaX and the SeaChat integration. All you need to do is go inside agent information, integrations, and then you would have SeaX integration right on this screen, and you have a calls, SMS, and a WhatsApp, all the three of them, and then you can automate everything from all of this screen. Okay, that's it. Everything for our SeaX and SeaChat integration. Please let me know if you got any questions, and I'm happy using SeaChat and SeaX.